Welcome to day 5 of Kwanzaa. So today's principle is Nia. Nia is for purpose, remembering and restoring African and African American cultures, customs, and history. So that's very important in the United States, is to remember not only our culture but all cultures. So let's keep that in mind. It's after the pandemic, let's visit some museums, learn about the history of not just your culture, but other cultures as well. So let's go ahead and get started. So day 7 from the Chicken Coop Dye Works collection is number 5, which is for the letter E and the word respect, which is a theme that Carol was going for this year, respect for the popular Aretha Franklin song. So let's see what day 5 is from her collection. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. Check this out. Look at the purples, the blues. Let's see if I can get this to focus. Yes, that is gorgeous. Look at those speckles. So this is Little Feathers. This is her base, Little Feathers. 70% superwash merino, 30% silk, high twist single ply, 438 yards, 100 grams. And it's her colorway Psycho Babble, which is appropriate. Okay, let's move on to Mitchell's Creations, Tara, and let's see what her mini looks like today. It is the color red. Oh, so nice. It is once again on her lanyard base, which is a 4-ply sock weight yarn, 75% superwash merino, 25% nylon, 92 yards and 20 grams. So this is her mini color. So that concludes day 5 of Kwanzaa yarn calendar. So stay tuned for tomorrow. Bye-bye.